Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music Ministries here at the church. You're probably wondering why you have a different view. Today I'm going to talk about something we're going to feature on September 26th, which is next Sunday. We're going to feature the bell choir. Now, most of you have heard the bell choir, have seen it in action. We've used it during the summer. But I think some explanations need to be done. First of all, I'm wearing black gloves. Not because I want to look like Michael Jackson, just because I want to protect the brass on the bell. These are made of brass, so I want to protect that. I don't want my oils to get on the brass, because if they do, the brass tends to pit. And if the bell pits, it will make a different sound entirely. It might even change pitch. On Sunday, we're going to be doing a piece by Bach for the prelude. Now, we have, since I've been here, we have changed the position of the prelude, so the prelude becomes the prayer time or the introduction to worship. And so the bell choir is going to begin this worship with a piece by Johann Sebastian Bach called Bourrée. Some of you are going to say, oh, I know that Bourrée. Well, there's about 322 of them. But anyway, this particular Bourrée, most of us will know, and it goes dee-da-dum, bum, bum. Anyway, just want to show you the difference between the bells. We have 3 octaves of bells. Here's C6. No, this is C7. Here's C3. C4, excuse me, I got my numbers wrong. C4. There is a C3, but it's very heavy. Remember, these are made of brass, but I'm going to tell you about that some other time. I want to tell you about a little things that you're going to be hearing from a bell choir in the very near future. How to hold them. We hold them straight up as if there's very expensive champagne in there, and we just click our wrists. We don't go and dump the champagne out. We actually click the wrist. Now, why are these bells on handles? That's another story that I am going to do very shortly about how these English handbells came into being. Anyway, you're going to hear in the next couple of weeks a couple of things that we're going to be doing. There's versions of ringing a bell. You ring it like this. There's plucking, where you put it down on the pad. You can't see that. And pull the ringer. Makes a different sound entirely. In October, we're going to be doing a piece that requires us to swing. Makes the bells sound like they're going back and forth in the tower. By the way, the largest carillon bell tower in New York City is Riverside Church, and I want to tell you about that some other time. It has 74 bells, not this size, big. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on Sunday morning, September 26th, 9:30 on Facebook Live. Excuse me. Here we go.